TV777 here. Welcome back. Okay, today's topic is going to be on how to grow your nails long and strong. Okay, a couple of the subscribers asked me how I grow my nails long and strong, and are these my nails? Yes, these are my nails. Okay, so I'm going to tell you what I do to help my nails grow long and strong. Okay, so the first thing I do is, and what I always advise everybody to do, is to drink a lot of water, because water is very lubricating to your body. We are 2/3 water, so when you drink a lot of water, the water is able to lubricate everything in your body, not only your nails, your internal organs, your hair, your skin, everything. So the first thing you do, drink a lot of water, because the water carries the nutrients all over your body, including your nails. Okay, now the second thing I do is my collagen that I love. Collagen peptide powder. Now this is going to lubricate everything. It's going to carry nutrients through your body, and it's going to help your nails to grow longer and stronger. This helps your joints, your skin, your hair, everything. And also, I also take this MSM powder. What this MSM powder does is it lengthens the growth phase. So that means that it's going to lengthen, let's say your hair is at a certain length and it won't grow longer than a certain length. What this MSM does is it lengthens the growth phase, so your hair can grow longer, your nails can grow longer. And this is fantastic addition to your diet if you would like to take it. But that helps with your nails also. And one more thing, I take a hair, skin, and nails vitamin. Great addition. Okay, and also I eat a nutritious diet of vegetables, lean meats. I eat a lot of salads with green leafy vegetables, and let's see what else. Oh, the lean meats. All of these contribute to what you put in your body is going to eventually end up on the outside, and you're going to see growth in your nails, your skin is going to be nice, your hair is going to grow. You know, it just works for everything. When you take your multivitamins, you take your hair, nail, and skin vitamins, the MSM powder, the collagen, and drink a lot of water. So that's basically it. It's not a whole lot to it. If you have any questions, if you want to know further about these products, if you want to know about the collagen, look up here in the cards. Okay, now I'm going to show you my nails again. These are my nails, and as you can see, I need a fill. I do have an acrylic overlay on my nails, but right in here is the new growth. Okay, and this is only 2 weeks of growth. And every time I go to the nail salon, they tell me your nails grow so fast. You need to come in here once a week instead of every 2 weeks. And I know it's because I'm taking these supplements that my nail growth has speeded up. You know, some people say it's genetics, but you can also help genetics along too. So, but the thing is, I am not gonna go to the nail place more than every 2 weeks. But if that's a problem for you, like, okay, more than every 2 weeks, because that's gonna run into a lot of money. Plus, I don't like to be in the nail place. But if you do this, your nails are gonna be sped up, and you might have to go in the nail salon more than you would like to. But that's about it, ladies and gentlemen, whoever want to take this information, So give me a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.